Hello, boys and girls. Let's talk about partitioning shapes. All right, so this is when we have a shape and it is broken up into different parts. All right, so when we partition shapes, they have to be equally sized parts. So the parts or the shares have to be all equal. It's not going to be fair, or it's not partitioning if, like, you have a pizza and one person gets a really big slice of pizza, but somebody else gets a really, really small piece. So you want everybody to be equal and have an equal amount. All right. So in order for it to be partitioning correctly, they have to be equal, like this. All right. Here are some examples of pictures that are not equal shares. So this square right here, this piece is really big compared to this small piece right here. So those are not equal. Right here in the circle, it might look like it's broken up into fourths or four parts, and it is, but they are not equal shares. All right. So with partitioning and fractions, they have to be equal. All right. All right. Great. Okay. So here are some examples. Here we have a couple rectangles that are partitioned in half. All right, so there are two parts, and you can either have it going down, the cut going down, so your part looks like this, or the partition going diagonally, and you still have two equal parts. All right, or it can be broken up in half this way. All right, instead of long ways, it could be broken up instead of up and down, it can be broken side to side, from the left to the right. That's how you could partition a rectangle that way. So a way that you could partition a rectangle in thirds is going side to side like this, or up and down like this, and you would still have three shares in each of the rectangles. And then here's a picture of rectangles partitioned in fourths. So here we have it cut in half this way and then in half this way, and those are four equal parts. But we could also have it cut going this way, up and down, so your four equal parts are longer. All right? All right, so how many parts is this pizza partitioned into? How many parts are there in this pizza? How many slices of pizza are there? There are four. Good job. There are four pieces, four slices. So the fraction for one slice would be 1/4 or 1/4. Okay. So if you were to take one of these four slices and eat it, that would be 1/4 of the pizza, of the whole pizza. Remember, the four on the bottom represents the four total pieces, the part out of the whole. All right, that's how I want you to think of it. How many parts is this square partitioned into? Two. Very good. It is partitioned right here. This is just showing that it's shaded. All right, boys and girls, this is just the shading. So, how many parts? You have two parts. So the fraction for the piece that is shaded right here would be one of the two parts. One of the two pieces are shaded. Okay? So the two on the bottom tells you that there are two parts. The one on the top tells you that the one part is shaded. All right? All right. How many parts is this pizza partitioned into? We have one, two, three. Three parts. So the fraction for this one piece, for one of the three pieces, is 1/3. Or we break them into thirds. Okay, so this piece right here would be one of the three pieces, 1/3. Okay, all right.